Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, in this little episode, I'm literally just about to head off to VANWEST for the weekend. I'm going to put this one out there now. I'm not going to do that much filming this weekend. I want to go and have a chill out weekend. But what I'm going to film is the show and shine vehicles and stuff like that, which, yeah, I'm probably going to know. I know full well there's going to be some very interesting ones about. So that is what this video is going to be about. So join me, actually, when I get to VANWEST. Yeah, this one's awesome. Built by the old Dub Shop. There's as you can see, 6-day build, which a group of guys got together and built this one. Full interior, everything got done on it. It's awesome bit of work. I'm absolutely in love with it. But yeah, all the guys that built it are just on the back there. It's one hell of a build. It was in magazines or else, so they did a feature on it as they did it. So. The weather's been absolutely atrocious so far today, but we're getting there now. The weather's actually starting to clear up and stuff, and yeah, it's going good. But I do love a couple of long lows, especially in red. Really, really clean. Very, very tidy example, that one. That's quite cool. Borer has been turned into a pickup. A few guys over in the States have done a few of these, but first one I've seen over here. Apologise about some of the sound guys. Some of it's got copyright music on it, so I'm having to put bits of music over it and stuff like that. But I'm trying my best. Typical walk around shows, that's what you get, unfortunately. A couple more there from the old Dub Shop. Absolutely banging vans, absolutely love them. One day, guys, one day you'll see a splitty on the channel. I know that one for a fact, but at the moment, no, can't afford one. But we'll get there. we got Glenn's van from VWT, gradually evolving as a bit. I've been following this one on the Instagram channels and the rest of it, plus also on well, in the magazine I should say. I can't get my words out today. We've got quite a few vans here from Scarface Lowriders. I'm parked with them this weekend, but they got some awesome stuff. How sweet does that look? Really does. Apologise guys if I'm skipping past your vehicle, it's not intentional. I just, like now, got music in the background, so I'm struggling to actually do some filming with copyright music. As we carry on walking around all the Scarface stuff, that's Shane's van from Scarface. It does all the Shane plates and everything else. As you can see, that's dropped right down. It's all chassis notched and everything else. It's yeah, lovely bit of kit. Absolutely love that van. As I said before, all this Scarface stuff is real good stuff. If you haven't seen some of it, head over onto their page and have a look. Over here, you've probably seen it earlier. It's a Ferrari Dino body, which is on top of a bug chassis with a Type 4 rear engine and stuff in it, and some absolute monster great size rear tyres. Absolutely love the thing. It's a mad little thing. As you see guys, as far as the eye can see, you've just got more and more and more V-dub stuff. In this video I'm not going to be able to go and walk around all of it. You would end up with a video that's like a few hours long. So I've managed to concentrate on doing a small video this time guys, with a lot of the show and shine stuff in it and things like that. it's been one of them. It's the weather's been against me, plus a bit of wind and the rest of it, and I still wanted to give you guys a bit of a video of what I've been up to this weekend. But yeah, hopefully you understand some of this every now and again. Just want to get away, have a bit of a crack and stuff, and don't really have to want to concentrate on filming too much all the time. So on that note, guys, hope you understand that one, and yeah, I shall see you on the next video, guys. Stay safe.